Now let's move on to question 28 of the plant growing simulation preparation worksheet. The program is to be changed so that after a simulation finishes, the user is given the option to run another simulation. Modify the simulation subroutine to allow the user to choose if they want to run another simulation or exit. So at the moment, what happens is at the end of the simulation, the program just ends. Let's just demonstrate that quickly. So if we put in 1, no, all that happens is that the program ends. So we basically want to put in a feature to make it allow the user to choose if they want to run another simulation or exit. So this is a conditional loop. Wherever the user chooses to enter Y, then the whole program should repeat. So let's look at how we would do that. So in the simulation subroutine, we want to loop this entire program and based on some condition. So we can say something like while another simulation is true, then keep doing this. And all we need to do is initialize the flag variable. So another simulation should be true at the start because we want this condition to be true. So we run a simulation. And then down here, we can then use this input to now ask the question. Enter Y to run another simulation or leave blank to exit. And then we can say something like answer comes from the input. If the answer is equal to Y and another simulation is true, or because it's already true, it will probably make sense to say if the answer is blank, then another simulation is false. That would be the most efficient sort of solution to this. Right, let's test it. This was question 28. Let's just put in 1. Let's say no. That was the end of the simulation. So let's first of all test it by entering Y. And it repeats again. And now let's test it again by entering blank. And you can see, because this has taken me back, well, it's exited Python, we can see that the program's ended.